Okay, this is my process making an audio. First of all, I like to be in the dark, like a dark vibe, one lamp, and then my mic on. I'm looking for music right now for this cleaning motivation, cleaning affirmations idea that I had. I'm actually very excited about this because I need it. I need motivation to clean. And as I was washing dishes, I was like saying these affirmations to myself, and it really got me motivated to like keep going. Like, I love cleaning. I love having a clean space. I feel beautiful when I'm cleaning. My space is beautiful. I am beautiful. Just whatever motivation we can get, right? So building the energy up to get you up, get you cleaning, get you taking care of your space, taking care of yourself. So let's do it. Okay, so let's first find a track. I put the audio so you guys can hear it with me. I want something upbeat and refreshing. That's what I'm looking for. No, this is too chill. We need energy. This is kind of cute. Does it sound too commercially? Also, I want like an audio to go for 10 minutes. I might have to like pick a few different ones. Most of my audio so far are the calm type with like healing meditation music, but I just have I don't know, I think we need an upbeat track for this one. It's funny. I love cleaning. I love keeping my space clean. This one's a little too happy, but it's kind of funny. You never know what you're gonna get. This is a creative process. I wasn't planning to film today, so I kind of look messy, but I thought it'd be fun while I was looking for music. Clearly this process could take a long time. Look, it's gotta be something people want to play on repeat. Let me do refreshing, chill house. Let's see what comes up. It's tough because you don't know what genre people prefer. People's tastes are kind of everywhere. I don't know what I'm thinking. This is the creative process. You just don't know. You don't know what you're gonna get. Honestly, most of my audios, I feel like when you listen to the finished product, it sounds like the music goes with the text and it climaxes at the right parts. Sometimes I don't even plan that. Sometimes the music just happens to move up while my story or the narrative of the voice is moving up. I didn't plan it. We're getting closer. Something like house, soft house. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, I have 38 songs. I'm gonna test with this. Honestly, they're all not bad. So what I'm doing first is I'm finding the right song to be like the intro song to kind of set the vibe for the audio. And then I'm gonna find a bunch of other tracks that have like a similar BPM, like a similar tempo, and just fill up this track until it reaches around 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna record the audio. And then after I record the audio, I swap out the songs depending on whether I think it actually fits or not. Like I might change the order of songs, I might just swap out songs. But to get it started, I pick what I want for the intro and then I'll figure it out from there, depending on how the audio goes. So I have a couple options I might use for the intro. This one, it's like you're getting into the vibe already. The other one, I'll try both. Since I picked my intro song, I kind of know that's like the tempo I kind of want to stay around for the rest of the track. Testing, 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 testing. Hello, 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 testing. You guys are gonna laugh because it's like affirmations. Okay. I love cleaning. I love cleaning. I love keeping my space clean. I love having a clean home. I'm getting used to the tempo. With this refreshed energy, I'm bringing clear, beautiful energy into my home and into my space. My space is a reflection of me. I have to listen back. I'm a little thrown off because I'm trying to match the tempo of this track, and I'm also thinking that this isn't like a repeat after me affirmation. I leave a little space and there will be captions in the app so people can, it's almost like you're reading the lyrics to a song, but I'm imagining like people play the song and then they're just cleaning. And it's kind of just like, you're listening to it on loop, but you don't have to like physically repeat after it. You can if you want, but that's what I'm thinking. Because it needs like more of a pace. It can't be too slow. Okay, let me listen. I'm laughing because it's house music and I feel like I could add a little reverb to my voice so it's like that vibe. You guys are gonna laugh, but let me let me see if it sounds good if I give you guys a preview. I love cleaning. I love cleaning. And so at this point, I would test different songs. Let's say the intro song I picked didn't really work well, and then I would test, okay, what other songs will sound good with this? I love cleaning. I love cleaning. Oh, it's hilarious. It's clean. I love. You see how like the beat kind of worked with the affirmation? A clean space. I don't plan that. It's clean. I kind of like this audio better. I enjoy keeping. It is so beautiful and refreshing to have a clean space. Doesn't this make you want to clean? 5 or 10. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. That's a draft, and I'll probably re-record it. But that's the process. 5 or 10 minutes, that is enough to keep my space clean. This part's kind of like DJing. You're just mixing songs, like fading one, bringing out the other one. I love cleaning. When I'm cleaning my space, I'm cleaning the energy of my space. Because I love my home and I love myself, I take care of my home and I take care of myself. In this test run, like that was the end of the first song, and it's fun to see how it matches with the music. Oh, I love cleaning. Different vibe here. For this one, I'm kind of deciding which phrases to repeat. The repeats are kind of like the chorus of the song, like repeat after me. And then the verse is like when I say those longer ones that I expect you to not repeat. I just want you to listen and enjoy. I love cleaning. I love cleaning. I love having a clean space. Love keeping my space clean. I love cleaning. When I'm cleaning my space, I am tending to myself. I love it. Okay, I don't know who's gonna listen to it, but I think you just put this on for 10 minutes. It's got like a driving beat and you just clean. It just makes you feel good. That's the goal. The goal is refreshing, high vibes, and cleaning motivation. And it's a bit experimental, but I am excited about it. People can say mean things, but as of right now, I'm excited about it.